So about 4 weeks ago, your girl got her very first frontal install. And as much as I wish I could show you how to lay and slay, I'm still learning. So this is not a melt your lace kind of video. This is a frontal maintenance for beginners because I am that. I'm going to be showing you how I clean my lace, how I take care of my natural hairline so that I can keep my baby hairs, and how I style this Mayvenn Peruvian Kinky straight hair. If that's something that you're interested in, once again, for beginners, keep watching.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
So I figured this part might just be easier to explain than try to remember it in the voiceover. But what I'm gonna do off camera is get in the shower. I'm going to co-wash, not shampoo, because this hair is a little dry, so I don't want to dry it out even more. I'm gonna co-wash the hair. I'm gonna shampoo my hairline, only rubbing in this direction. I'm not doing this because remember my hair is in braids and there's glue and stuff here, and I don't want to cause any tension on my hairline, baby hairs. I'm trying to keep those, okay? So going in this direction only, I'm gonna shampoo my hairline. I'm gonna also shampoo my lace and do the same thing that I just did with the alcohol and kind of rub the shampoo into this area of the lace. For my co-wash, I'm just gonna grab a random conditioner in my shower, but then before I get out of the shower, I'm gonna add this silicone mix deep conditioner. I just like using this on my bundles. It makes the hair really soft and smooth. So that's the game plan. Shampoo, shampoo, co-wash, and deep condition. And then when I'm done with all of that, I'll be right back.